8 congressmen dubbed as contractors are now facing plunder, graft and bribery charges before the Office of the Ombudsman due to alleged conflict of interest. It was discovered that they own construction companies that were still awarded projects from the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH. However, according to the Office of the Ombudsman, there are allegedly still many more contractors. Sheena Torno reports.
Boxes upon boxes of documents containing evidence were again submitted by the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH and the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to the Office of the Ombudsman this Wednesday. They are recommending the filing of plunder, graft, and bribery charges against 8 congressmen dubbed as contractors who either own or have relatives who own construction companies that receive contracts from the DPWH.
Kasama po sa mga ebidensyang sinamit namin ay mga records galing sa Securities Exchange Commission tungkol sa mga iba't ibang kumpanya na konektado sa mga kongresista. Kaya doon po na-establish yung direktang pagmemay-ari ng mga individual na sinabi natin kanina, mga kongresista at kasama si former Congressman Zaldico.
Aside from former Acobico Congressman Zaldico, charges are also being recommended against CWS Congressman Edwin Guardiola, Usuag Ilonggo Congressman James Ang Jr., Pusong Pinoy Congressman Jordi Nisay, Bulacan 2nd District Congresswoman Agustina Pancho, Cagayan 3rd District Congressman Joseph Lara, Surigao del Norte 1st District Congressman Francisco Matugas, and Tarlac 3rd District Congressman Noel Rivera.
We're ready to do the fact-finding, and I'd like to say that we have started on some of these names already before. Sinimulan na namin ang pag-iimbestiga. I remember studying Congressman Guardiola's activities already. Sinimulan na namin yan. Tapos, well, Pancho was always part of the list. And then, yung iba, hindi ko masyadong nagulat na ako sa ibang pangalan. At tingin namin ay talagang may conflict of interest. Marami pa yan. Hindi pa bababa sa 12 hanggang 15. Yung very evident. Hindi na kinakailangan yung beneficial interest test. Pwede mo nang sabihin na talagang sila na yon may conflict of interest na.
Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Rimulya said that he will speak with House Speaker Boji D next week because many lawmakers allegedly involved in the flood control scandal will be affected. Rimulya emphasized that as much as 10% of the member of the House of Representatives may be affected, implicated, and charged in connection with the issue.
Madidisrupt talaga ang Congress dito. Madidisrupt sila. Marami masasaktan dito kasi the book is full of our law is full of statutes that will make people accountable and pay the price. Unahan na nila kami kasi pag kami nauna, iba na usapan yan, di ba?
Meanwhile, Rimulya wrote to the Bureau of Immigration to place 77 government officials and private individuals under foreign travel restriction order. This includes unnamed senators, congressmen, and even contractors.
Basta under investigation ka, you're part of government, you should not be traveling and leaving this jurisdiction.
For God and for my beloved Philippines, this has been Sheena Torno, SMNI News.